Hi everyone, do you want to save a specific frame from your video as an image in CapCut? Here's how to do it. First, open CapCut on your computer, then import your video. After that, add the video to the timeline, then move the playhead to the frame that you want to take a screenshot. Okay, after that, click here on the uh, on this hamburger icon and then select export still frames. Here you can select the name, the resolution, the format, like they have PNG and JPEG, and if you want to import it, and also where you want to export it to. I selected it to be desktop. You can choose any folder that you want to, then click export. You will see that we took the screenshot and it added the media here. Let's go to the desktop and you'll see that the screenshot is here. So this is how you save a specific frame from your video as an image in CapCut. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.